Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a full review of the Pure dating app. Is it really the best dating app in 2025 or should you avoid it? Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research from multiple sources including user reviews and the official website. So, what is Pure? According to their website, Pure markets itself as a private, no strings attached dating app focused on instant connections with an emphasis on privacy and anonymity. The app promises quick matches with real people ready to meet up. Sounds good on paper, but the user experience is quite different. Looking at Trustpilot, Pure has a very low rating, just 1.7 stars out of 50 reviews, with 88% of users giving it 1 star. Many complaints mention that the app often feels empty with hardly anyone online. Customer support is reportedly non existent or handled by an AI that gives generic answers to specific questions. One major frustration is that users have to pay upfront but then find very few real matches or active users, leading to disappointment. Some users also say that the app seems heavily skewed towards women getting the most attention, while men often get little to no responses unless they fit certain criteria. There are also accusations of fake profiles and bot flooding the platform, making it feel more like a pay-to-play marketplace rather than a genuine dating community. The company does respond to criticism, but many users remain dissatisfied. For the final verdict, if you value privacy and a simple interface, Pure might seem appealing, but based on real user experiences, the app still struggles with user activity and customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.